Okay, the short block is coming together real nice. The pistons and cam went in very easily. Yeah, everything worked real well. The machine shop had already checked all the clearances on the crank bearings and the rod bearings and the end play. All was good. So that was already verified by the machine shop. Appreciate them doing that. And yeah, I just got through putting it together. Here's the top end. I'd already talked about the lifter valley splash guard. Anyway, I'm going to be degreeing the cam and getting that all set. And then waiting on the heads. Anyway, real happy with the way it's coming together.